If hard work made people rich, most people would already be wealthy. Think about it. Millions of people wake up early every morning. They work long hours. They skip vacations. They sacrifice weekends, and yet they are still living paycheck to paycheck. So what's really going on? Because this is not about laziness. Hardworking people are everywhere. In fact, the hardest working people in society are often the ones struggling the most, and that's not an accident. From childhood, we're taught one simple idea: study hard, get a good job, work hard, and success will follow. But no one ever explains how money actually works. Hard work is respected, hard work is praised. But money does not reward effort. Money rewards leverage. Most hardworking people trade time for money. They show up, they work, they get paid. But the moment they stop working, the money stops too. No work, no income. That is not freedom. That is survival. And survival keeps people busy. Too busy to think, too busy to learn, too busy to build anything beyond their job. Hardworking people usually become very good at what they do. They master their profession. They improve their skills. But when it comes to money, they remain beginners. They are never taught how investing works. They are never taught how assets grow. They are never taught how money can work for them instead of against them. So they do what they were taught. They save money, they avoid risks, they play safe. Saving feels responsible, but saving alone does not create wealth. It only protects you from emergencies. It does not change your future. Then something else happens. As their income slowly increases, their lifestyle increases even faster. A better phone, a bigger apartment, a nicer car. Not because they are careless, but because society expects it. Success starts to look expensive. Monthly payments replace long-term thinking. EMIs replace investments. Comfort replaces growth. This is how the middle-class trap works. You earn more, but you don't keep more. Years go by, decades go by, and suddenly people realize they worked hard their entire lives, but never actually built wealth. The real difference between rich and poor is not how hard they work, it's where their effort goes. Poor and middle-class people put their effort into jobs. Wealthy people put their effort into systems. Systems that keep working even when they don't. Skills that scale. Investments that compound. Businesses that grow. Content that reaches people globally. These systems take time to build. They take patience. They learning. But once they exist, they stop depending on hours worked. This is why rich people don't look rushed. They're not running out of time. They've built things that run without them. Hard work is not the enemy, but hard work without direction keeps people stuck forever. If you only work hard to earn money, you'll always chase it. But if you work hard to build systems, money starts chasing you. If this video made you uncomfortable, that's a good sign. It means you're starting to see the truth. Subscribe, because the next video will not just change how you think about money, it will change how you use it.